neighbor. Look at your neighbor one more time. Say neighbor. Look at your neighbor one more time. Say neighbor. This is Lusaka. In case it's fast, you have a neighbor. Look at them one more time. Say neighbor. This is Lusaka. Okay, why Nagapa? This is Lusaka. Let me tell you a story. Hello. Ini mama nasi pasal baik baik buka baik apa? Oh, no jam, tidak jam apa buat buka. Sorry for that. Ladies and gentlemen, story yang masuk. I have a grandfather who is 92 years old. Can you celebrate for him? But don't tell him to. Yeah, I know you don't know my grandfather, but at least was welcome to wow. So now my grandfather at 82 years old, we were telling him, take Lusaka, Kudamanga. My grandfather never understood what I meant. In our Kudamanga, Mamma Gold. When I said Lusaka, Kudamanga, the man never knew. Ladies and gentlemen, lo and behold, my grandfather came 3 months ago to Lusaka. Pamanje, wanaiwa Kusweka, na Wadamanga. Lusaka hii. Itosa chiwe. So can you clap for Lusaka? Itosa chiwe Lusaka. I know. Maswaki yana kwa tikalasa mina kunishuhudia vana. Manje Lusaka. Oh yeah. Kone mamando pengine mpoa. Roho mawe bana na levo kwa mama. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a share in the building. Muda. Yori papa muna Bluetooth mama. Washai, are you in the building? Someone muna kisgani na mama sma. Kati pundan, washai, are you in the building? Okay, that is the song. If I say washai, are you in the building? Yeah. Washai, are you in the building? Yeah. Okay, the Bluetooth is ready to connect. You can come and share it. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Shane. Please, Shane. Oh my God. Look at how they are going to share joy. A bundle of joy.